So guys, in this quick tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to find your reels history. So peradventure you don't know how to do that, ensure you follow this tutorial step by step so you don't miss any step of the process. So for you to do this, just come to your Facebook feed. You can see right here I'm on my Facebook feed. So simply go to where you have this reels section up here. I guess you can see that. So once you click on that, by the way, if you are new on this channel, my name is Digital Pero, and right here we talk about ways you can make money online, how to tutorials, and also how you can grow your YouTube channel. If this is your first time right here, do it to like this video, drop a comment, and also subscribe to this channel. So click on this reels part of your Facebook. So once you click on that, then over here you click on this contact icon you are seeing right here, this profile icon. Can you see? In case you don't see it, just swipe up and swipe down again. I mean, do this. So I guess you understand what I just did now. So by the time you swipe down, then you get to click on the profile icon. It should appear by that time. So once you click on it, then over here you get to see the list of liked reels, your list of shared reels, and even your watched reels. So click on watch reels and you get to see all the reels that you've watched in the past. I guess you can see everything right here. So these are all the reels that I've watched in the past. So I believe right now you now understand a way about checking or seeing your watch history, your reels history. So if you go value watching this video, do it to like this video, drop a comment, and also subscribe to this channel. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.